warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to thank the moderator who has given the opportunity to present my research. The title, Characteristic of Sexual Violence to the Victim in Karawang Regency, Indonesia. Children is the most beautiful God form, the one God that we must protect. But they are susceptible of being victims of sexual violence. Lost factor caution of children to a victim of sexual violence. There are still high cases of sexual violence in Indonesia, and 50% of them are sexual violence against children that occur in nursery and environments such as at home and school. We shall be the safest place for children. The data and cases of children's sexual violence reported by the community to Karawang Police in 2018 recorded 52 cases. Of August 2019, there were 30 cases of inappropriate in the week. In 1 week, one cases were reported. The research objectives are to examine the social phenomena of children's sexual violence in Karawang Regency by analyzing the characteristics of a victim of sexual violence, factors that cause children becoming the victim of sexual violence, and examining the anticipatory steps and solutions to overcome children's sexual violence. The approach of its research is a qualitative method. Normally, a phenomenological studies were relative to incidents of children's sexual violence in Karawang Regency by exploring the characteristics of the perpetrator. The data were collected by interview, observation, and documentation study, and FDG or focus group discussion. The information is the study where 21 people with the characteristics of cave informant, mind informant, and triangulation are editing information by using context analysis. The characteristics of children who has victims of sexual violence are more often found with infant children. Introverts, professionality outside that town and this word often used by perpetrators of sexual violence and children victims of sexual violence experiencing traumatic behavior. The factor that trigger the lack of parental supervision of children, a controlled and sort of information and social cultural factor, and there are still taboo by early childhood sex education. Result: all information of victim of sexual violence is 10 female children, ranging in age from 3.5 years to 16 years old. The method of sexual violence is with victims who are under 12 years of age by seconding and threatening the victim. The way the perpetrator commits sexual violence with victims who are over 12 years of age is by making the victim of girlfriend. The study conducted interview with parents important about the children's personality because experiencing sexual violence with the following research. 7 information of children's victims are introvert or introverted personality sexual violence. 3 information of children victims of sexual violence are extrovert. Measuring the impact of children victims of sexual violence is that children are experiencing deep trauma or requiring psychology therapy. Conclusion: increasing cases of sexual violence in children are triggered by the example of sexual discrimination in adults. The characteristics of victims of sexual violence often occur at vulnerable age, namely under 12 years of age. The icon due to look of parents' supervision of children, uncontrolled causes of information and social cultural factor which is still taboo with early exit education. The trauma experienced by the victim must be rehabilitated psychologically and of course it must be the obligation of the state and society. The state must make psychological and sociological rehabilitative facilities. Psychological alone is not enough. Because even though he have recorded psychologically, the level attached to the community that he is a victim of violence must alone be resorted. Victims of sexual violence must have good space externality bloom in fitting account in society, so that sexuality rehabilitation should do be forgotten. The anticipate whether we can do as alternative solutions to psychological phenomena like a sexual violence that happened to the children in Karawang is counseling of pupil self-development, supporting a sector and rehabilitative fitting, but the root cause of the problem must be pulled. Parents love important to parent the problem. Understand the children's character can important children anatomy. The effect to correct the participation of the police, social service, and stakeholders short of the children to be able to supervise children at school. Thank you for attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.